Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, The Chic Chick. उम्मीद है आप सब अच्छे होंगे. So in today's video, I am going to share some of my favorite lipsticks. Those are under 500. So the first lipstick is from Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 62. So this is the one which I have applied right now. So I'll swatch it for you guys on my hand. So this is the shade. See, this is in pink tone, a very subtle pink tone. And the thing is कि ये ट्रांसफ़र बहुत easily हो जाता है, तो ऐसे बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी नहीं है. अगर आप कुछ भी खाओगे या फिर कुछ भी ड्रिंक करोगे तो ये तुरंत उसमें ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा. तो इट्स नॉट वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. आपको बार बार इसको टचअप करते रहना होगा. बट द कलर इज़ रियली ब्यूटीफुल. अगर आपको कहीं 1-2 घंटे के लिए इसको लगाना है तो आप इसको प्रेफर कर सकते हो. एंड दिस आई बॉट फॉर समवेयर अराउंड 300. सो दिस इज़ नाइस बाय. सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट शेड. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम वेस्ट साइड. And the shade is NM07. So I'll swatch for you guys. So as you can see, this is a more kind of purple tone, but this is my absolute favorite. The reason is I can wear it for any formal functions or even when I'm going to shopping or any casual function. The color is really beautiful and it really suits my face. Right now I've applied the earlier lipstick which is from Miss Claire, but I'll put the lip swatch towards the end of the video and you can see that. So this is really nice and the price is also very reasonable. It is only for rupees 295 and I am using it for like a year now. This is my go-to lipstick and I have completed first bottle of this lipstick as you can see here, and this is my second one. So this is my absolute favorite and I would say that anyone having similar skin tone will definitely love this one. So yes, now I'll move on to my third favorite lipstick, which is from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 657 Nude Nuance, and this was for 300. This is in more kind of nude shade, pink nude shade, if you can see guys. So as you can see the swatch here, it is kind of pink in pink tone, and the reason I love this lipstick is because first it is very reasonable. It's only for 300. Another thing is that the tone is really nice, and though it's not very long lasting, if you eat something or drink something it will transfer, but it's not patchy or it will not make your lips dry. It's really creamy and it still gives you a very matte finish look as you can see here. And this particular shade जब भी कोई formal occasion होता है या फिर I have to go for no makeup look, I love this lipstick. And this is something you guys can go blindly for. This will suit any skin tone and I'm damn sure you guys will love it. Moving on to the next lipstick, which is from Color Bar in the shade Tutti Frutti 33M, and people who wanna go for some bold shade can go for this one. As you can see the swatch here, this is in a hot pink shade and kind of very dark. When you want to go for a bold look, you can go for this lipstick. I got it for around 500. So the reason I love this lipstick is that it gives you a bold look. If you want to stand out of the crowd and you want to go to a party or something, you can definitely go for this lipstick. So moving on to next lipstick, which I have from Lakme 9 to 5 range, and it is in the shade Beige Post MB10. So as you can see guys, it is very light shade and it has shimmer on it, and it is more of a coral tone. So you can wear this if you want to go for something very subtle or very light look. So this was gifted to me on my birthday by one of my friend and I really love this shade. खुद खरीदती तो शायद मैं खुद से जाकर ये shade कभी नहीं खरीदती because this is not my taste, but yes, when I used it I was in love with this shade. And so moving on to our last lipstick guys, which is from Maybelline New York in the series I would say Super Stay Matte Ink, and the shade is 20 Pioneer Lip Color. This is not in the range of 300. This is a little on the higher side because it cost me around 650, but the reason I'm including it in this video is because this is the perfect red shade that every girl would want to include in her makeup kit. So I'll just show you the swatch. See, I've just applied it once and this is giving me the perfect red shade. So So the reason that I love this is, of course, the shade is really nice. It is just the perfect red that I love. And another reason, it is super long lasting. It lasts like for the entire day. Even if you are eating, drinking, like you can do everything and it won't go. This is super nice, super long lasting. And I would say the shade, even the shade doesn't change even when you eat or drink something. It remains exactly the same, and you can wear it to any function or wherever you would like, I would say. But yes, this is my absolute favorite.